how to withdraw from Bybit. Now, first of all, open the Bybit app. Make sure to log into your account. Now, after that, tap on P2P trade. Now, to be able to withdraw from Bybit, you need to select the sell option. And now after that, you need to select your country currency by tap on USD. Now here you have a different currency. Now select your country currency from here. Now after you select your country currency, we need to set the token that you want to withdraw. Now tap on USDT. And as you can see, you have 4 options: USDT, and Bitcoin and Ethereum. So select one of these tokens that you want to withdraw. Now after you select your token, set the amount by tap on amount. Now here you can enter the amount that you want to withdraw and tap on confirm. Now after you set the amount, you need to select your bank. You need to select your bank by tap on all payment method. Now here you can select your bank from here. So after you select your bank, now tap on confirm. Now select one of this provider that you want to sell a token to, and after that you can withdraw from Bybit. So this is how to withdraw from Bybit. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.